Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And this video I'm going to show you how can you install the latest version of Blender on your Windows PC. So let's start the video. First of all, open your browser and here just simply type Blender, click it, and here you can see their official website blender.org. click the first link, and here as you can see there is an option called download Blender 5.1. I'm going to click that option, and now this will bring me to this page. You can see the option download Blender. As I am downloading it for Windows, it's already saying the Windows option. You can choose the Mac, Linux or other version as well. So click the download Blender option here and it will start automatically. So yeah, as you can see the download option has automatically started and I downloaded it already. So I'm gonna open it to the show in folder option and minimize the browser for now. And this is the exe file. So to install it, simply double click, select run, and it is preparing to install, so wait for that. And the setup has already begun, so I'm going to select next, and here is the install Blender 2. This is the default path. You can always change that, but I'm going to keep it as it is. Select next and select install, and the installation had started. It's a heavy software, so you have to wait a couple of minutes to completely install the file. And the installation is completed, so I'm going to click finish here and it will bring me to this web page. So they are like taking donation. It's a completely free software. You can always donate if you want. So I'm going to open the Blender software right now. On the search option, I'm going to search Blender, and here it is, Blender 5.1. double click it to open, and this is the interface. Now you can create your 3D projects. You can select the continue and select 2D animation or storyboarding, VFX, video editing as you like. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.